beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Nabs here with a new video. Those who have subscribed, thank you very much, and those who haven't, please subscribe. Kindly check out my channel, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, like and share with your friends so that they can join the family. At the moment I'm in a place called Tram, in a hotel called Tram, and I thought, why not bring my people with me so that they can enjoy the lovely views and the lovely places around here. So I hope you enjoy my video and see you. Here we are, just coming in, and hope you're gonna love this because it was really lovely. Spent a few days here, so come along. This is our arrival. Come on guys. That's the lovely hotel, the Grand Tram. Amazing place. Here we're done checking in, so come with me, let's have a look around before we go to the room, and I'm gonna give you a tour for the room that I was staying in. It was so beautiful guys. Welcome guys, here we are, come with me. Done with the room tour, let's go back to the ground floor and just have a look what's going on there. Come with me guys. Hope you're still coming along, guys. So this was the crazy golf area, and we went with my friends, and we just had a few hours there playing crazy golf. This was our 18th hole, the last hole, so we're all, excited to finish the day. It was really fun. Dinner was done. Here with my girls, we're just asking ourselves, should we go to the rooms? Because it was really around like 8. So we're just like, So there was this club. So we decided to go clubbing. Join us, guys. Roxy is in the hotel we were staying. Is at the Grand Tram Hotel. So we just had to go downstairs, and then when we were tired, we just went upstairs. As easy as that.
I never wanna hold you back. I wanna give you every chance to make it, to make it. I'm afraid if our love collides, you'll leave me alone tonight. 'Cause I'm changing and I'm breaking. Is this over? I'm scared to ask these questions, 'cause I know reject my love, moving slower, frozen to these pieces without a shoulder to cry on.
Thanks for watching, guys. It was almost time for us to go to bed. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and leave me a comment down below. See you in my next video. Ciao.